Well, here I am on the ferry, going to be heading on back to reality. Whoop, there goes gravity or whatever Mr. Eminem says.
Asia musim gugur di Asia.
That's right, girls. Welcome to Autumn in Asia. And that's what they were saying. And let's count the ways this is wrong, okay? It's just like, besides too many lanes going in the wrong directions and people are doing, oh, and that guy too, that was the number 2. He was definitely in number 2, but this is crazy. He's being safe. Oh, that guy's not being safe, and he's a taxi driver. Well, motorcycle taxi driver. This is from a reverse angle here. And check these guys out. They're going to pull right out into traffic and stop all the traffic. And it's just the way it is. And this guy's going, hey man, check out my new car, man. Got an awesome turning radius. Okay, maybe not that awesome. But yeah, that's pretty crazy. And there's some other crazy things on this video today for you coming up in Autumn in Asia. And here is something crazy, and I'm glad I didn't get it. Look at this now. Oh, she came like within, this is crazy too, man. This is a monitor lizard. And I had 3 of them right outside my window, my condo. Well, okay, I was up on the 8th floor, but still, check out how long this guy is. You can see it when he turns around, man. Yeah, check out that tail. Yeah, they're known as, what do they call them? Water dragons, yeah. And here's his littler cousin. But anyways, let me tell you what's happened to me since I've gotten here in Thailand. Sorry about that. I came through the Phuket sandbox, and I was in Phuket town for 7 days, and then went over to Kamala Beach, which is highly recommended. It was beautiful. I stayed there 3 days. I headed out up to Don Muang in Bangkok, Nonthaburi area. I go over to Nonthaburi because it's just way out of the way, and things are cheaper, and I like it over there. Got friends over there. And I get a hotel, and then I get a triple whammy. My glasses break, okay, so I got to go get them fixed. That was a couple of trips and blah, 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 blah. And then I had 2 crowns that I had put in when I was down in Mexico last summer, and yeah, they both fell out. So, this reminds me of something on like Legend of Zelda, walking across floating rocks. But anyways, so they were going to glue them back in properly, and then the one says there's not enough tooth to glue it onto, so she's going to drill it out and put a post, and everything would be fine, and make a new tooth for it. But she says, oh wow, it's like really got a lot of decay in there, and we got to pull the tooth. Oh great, so there I am. Next thing I know, I'm back in the office there for some oral surgery, and they yanked that out. And then I had a lump in my chest, and they cut that out kind of, but they had to put packings in there. Oh, this is Klong boats. You gotta love Klong boats. You can go from one side of Bangkok all the way to the other for about $2. Takes about 45 minutes. Get to see the backside of Bangkok like you never see it in traffic in a taxi, that's for sure. But anyways, went to the hospital that was recommended. Very good hospital, there's no problem. I was about an hour, 15-minute away by MRT. And little did I know, after they got finished with the surgery, they said, yeah, now you got to come back every day for 7 days so as to redo the packing, whatever. But man, that was 7 days. I mean, that like, that's a 4-hour trip back and forth and doing whatever you needed to do, and that was crazy. This is the nice beach here. This is the part of the beach for redheads. If you redhead, But anyways, so yeah, that happened all at once, and I was getting ready to travel again, and sometimes my stomach is not all that great. I travel with Crohn's disease, and I'll probably be doing a video on that sometime soon. And then it rained on me, and and I dealt with a little bit of stress. I do that. Just being open, man. Just being open. But anyways, I'm somewhere else right now, and I'll let you know where that is. Maybe the next video when I've got some nice video there. But I'm at a really nice condo here for a while, and I'm glad you guys are here, and I thank you. I'm sorry it took me so long, but poo-poo happens. If you don't believe me, yeah, you'll find out at the end of this video. Stick around because
please do not smoke at a balcony or window. It might cause a fire and disturb your neighbor. Yeah, I think if somebody started a fire next to me, it would kind of disturb me.
yeah, this is crazy. You have to have a sign for that, and you don't even need words.